Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your LG K30. Now normally out of the box it does not come with this capability, but with a little adapter, which is plugged in the back here. This is a Qi wireless charging receiver module. It's a micro USB version. You are able to plug it into your phone and adapt your phone to any wireless charger. Now this works the best when you do have a case on your phone. When you don't have a case on it, then this thing kind of flaps, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you're going to have some type of protection on your phone. But it works really great. I have wireless chargers in my bed, in my bedroom, excuse me, in my office, and I'm just used to wireless charging from previous phones, and so I don't want to lose that capability with this phone. So that easy, as long as you have this little module, your phone is able to wirelessly charge. So it's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can pick one of these up. Normally it's under 20 bucks. Sometimes it goes even as low as 10 bucks. And it's just a really cool little accessory to have with your phone. I also will leave a link in the description for this really slim, fast wireless charger. And this is a wireless power bank charger as well. So even when you're on the go, you can take this with you. You turn it on, you pop your phone on it, and it'll continue to wirelessly charge without you having to plug it in. So hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.